In today's tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to add a full reel on Instagram using the Repost for Post Stories application. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to level up your Instagram game, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device, and search for Repost for Post and Stories. Once you find it, go ahead and download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You may need to log in using your Instagram credentials. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your Instagram account. Navigate to the reel you want to repost on Instagram. Once you've found the perfect reel, tap here and select Copy Link. This will copy the link to your clipboard. Switch back to the Repost app. Tap on Allow Paste. This will read your clipboard link that you copied second ago. Here you should see the reel you copied in the app's main interface. Select the reel you want to repost from the list. Here you can position attribution mark, or you can simply remove it. Also, you can copy a captions from this post, or you can paste it in Instagram. Tap on Repost. Here choose Story. Instagram will prepare Story with this reel for sharing with your friends. Make your edits and you are good to go. And there you have it. You've successfully added a full reel on Instagram using the Repost for Post and Stories app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see.